What's up everyone, this is All I Talk is Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your iPhone screen way brighter. Now one's a setting you're going to need to turn off, and the other's a setting you're going to need to turn on. So let's get started. So this is my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and it's not getting that bright. For whatever reason, I noticed my older iPhone gets brighter, and I'm not sure why. Here's how to fix it. Alright, what you want to do is go to your iPhone settings. Once you're inside of your settings, you want to scroll down to not display and brightness. You want to go to accessibility. Once you're inside of accessibility, you're going to want to tap on display and text size. From here, the first thing you want to do is, I had this enabled on my iPhone and didn't even know it. You may have enabled this maybe watching other YouTube videos in the past looking for phone help, but look at that. By turning this feature off, my iPhone got way brighter, and I didn't even know I had this on. So that's kind of dumb of me. Make sure you check that first. Now, if you're in the situation where your screen is as bright as it gets and that is not turned on, because maybe someone else turned it on trying to show you something you might not even know. Once that's done and you still want to make your iPhone screen brighter, here's what you want to do. You see where it says color filters? Turn that on, and your device will go into grayscale mode. What you want to do instead is tap on the blue yellow filter, and you could see it's not that prevalent on this screen, but you can see the colors instantly get a lot more vivid, and this actually helps with viewing things outdoors as well. So it's very hard to notice, but you just choose the blue yellow filter and drag it up to wherever you desire, and that can make your iPhone screen a lot brighter. You can see that green iMessage bubble is very bright, and it makes the colors way more vivid. So definitely a welcome change. Thank you so much for watching. As always, peace.